Hello friends, today we look into a very important topic, how to take care of your plants in summer season, with the top most important summer plant care tips to keep your plants happy and healthy in soaring temperatures in the coming months. One most important concept to remember here is prevention is better than cure. Stay tuned. Welcome back. If you're a hobby gardener or interested in growing plants, consider subscribing to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any updates. Summer season is on its way and the temperatures are changing gradually. For those who are beginners in gardening or planning to start gardening, trust me, it's a great hobby, fun and really satisfying. And also it's not that difficult. It's just gaining some basic knowledge and applying some common sense. Well, it's not just humans who suffer from the heat of summer. Plants too need proper hydration and care. You cannot switch off the sunlight. It's not in your hands. In fact, with some precautions and following some simple tips, the season can be really good for your plants. So here are the quick and useful tips one by one to keep your plants healthy and blooming this summer. First in the list is watering. In summer, you need to water your plants more than you normally do. Keep it a rule to keep the soil moist all the times of the day. If your potting soil is sandy and well draining, you must water at least once a day. During summer, water the plants during early morning or just after sunset. This is to avoid evaporation of water during the sunlight. The second point is humidity. You can cover the top layer of the soil with mulching, with material containing some wooden pieces, twigs, branches, dead leaves, and newspapers and so on. You can learn what is mulching from a video on mulching from question answer playlist of my channel. You can also make a humidity tray using small pebbles installed in a large tray surrounding the plant and pour some water in the tray. This really helps to maintain humidity levels. Then the third point is clustering of plants. You can keep potted plants in clusters close to each other. This way they'll face less sun, maybe from one side only, or small plants may get some shade from a larger plant, and this will also increase humidity levels. Then the fourth point is pruning. Pruning of the plants should be done to remove unnecessary or bad foliage and also bad branches. This will avoid excess loss of water through transpiration and also help the plant conserve its energy for a healthier new growth. Then the fifth point is on fertilizers. The summer season is the growth period of most plants, and the plant soil should be provided with more fertilizer in summer to sustain this high growth rate and extra energy requirement after the dormant winter season. Apply manures like cow dung, bone meal, vermicompost, and oil cakes like mustard or neem cakes or any other type of fertilizer recommended for a particular plant at least once in 2 to 4 weeks. Then the sixth point is on de-weeding. All kinds of weeds should be rooted out of the plant soil so that the extra nutrients and water meant for your plants are not used up by the weeds. Then the seventh point is on sunlight. The morning sun is the best for potted flowers and vegetables. Try relocating plants to receive maximum morning sunlight and get shade during noontime. That is when the sun is at its peak. Then the eighth point is misting the plants. To keep it humid and fresh, misting frequently with water can really help the plants. This will also make the leaves shine, and also you can do one thing is you can wipe the leaves with a soft cloth to promote photosynthesis. Then the ninth point is on pest control. This is really important. You cannot afford to lose the growing season of your plants by allowing the pests to hamper the growth of your plants. Do a rigorous pest control organically wherever applicable. And lastly, that is point number 10, few optional additional tips you can add for your summer plant care. That is, do not place your plants near AC units. This can damage the plants. And if you can arrange, keep a fan running for good air circulation. In summer, many well-maintained nurseries have lots of fans constantly running in daytime, and even they have some automated fine misting units. Then shade nets or green nets. Filter direct sunlight exposure by installing green net shades of at least 50% sunblocks, which can even protect the plant from ultraviolet radiation. Installing drip irrigation system for home gardens is also a good garden idea if it is possible. Then lastly, check the soil moisture level before watering using a handy soil moisture tester. This is the same all-in-one pH tester, moisture tester and light tester that I frequently use in my videos. This tool will help you understand when your plant is ready to be watered. Well, there we have it folks. Those were a few useful summer plant care tips. If you have some more tips, please add them in the comment section below the video. Wishing you and your plants a great summer season. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends and also comment below the video. If this is your first time at our channel, consider subscribing with the notification icon turned to on position so that you receive our channel updates. Happy gardening!